Welcome to Rome Tech. If you enjoy this type of content, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. You're currently viewing the homepage of Nexo.com. Let's dive in and explore what they have to offer. Nexo presents itself as a platform enabling users to earn interest on crypto assets and borrow against them. It appears they aim to bridge the gap between traditional finance and the decentralized world of digital currencies. The website showcases various features, including what they call the instant crypto credit lines, suggesting users can quickly access funds by using their cryptocurrency holdings as collateral. They also emphasize earning interest, potentially providing a passive income stream for crypto holders. Nexo highlights its security measures, which is crucial in the often volatile crypto space. They likely detail these measures further on dedicated security pages. The platform appears to support a variety of cryptocurrencies, though the specifics would require further investigation. Overall, Nexo.com positions itself as a one-stop shop for managing and leveraging your digital assets. They seem to be targeting both individuals and businesses with their services, offering solutions for diverse needs. The design of the website suggests a focus on user-friendliness and accessibility. It will be interesting to delve deeper into the specific interest rates offered, the supported cryptocurrencies, and the details of their security protocols. Further exploration of the platform is necessary to fully understand the scope of their services and assess their suitability for different user profiles. From a first glance, Nexo aims to provide a comprehensive suite of tools for managing and growing your cryptocurrency portfolio. They likely face competition from similar platforms in this evolving landscape. A deeper dive into their terms and conditions, fee structures, and user reviews will provide a more comprehensive understanding of Nexo's offering within the broader cryptocurrency ecosystem. It's important to conduct thorough research before engaging with any platform in this space, given the inherent risks associated with digital assets. Remember to always exercise due diligence and consider your own risk tolerance.